everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video, ang duet or showdown should I say, ni Zephanie and ni Golden Cañedo. Oh my goodness gracious, Golden is back? Well, anyways, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out. Excited ako.
Dalawang pangarap ang nanaig mula sa matitinding singing competition.
Ang ganda pala ng Yumi, no?
Pop princess, idol sa kantahan na talaga namang born to shine. Ang Cebuanang may ginintoang boses and the first ever The Clash Grand Champion. Ngayong linggo, magtatagpo ang
Nagbabalik
dalawang kampiyon
na.
sa iisang entablado.
Si
Hindi lang para
Golden.
umawit, kundi para harapin ang isang iconic contest piece bilang pagpupugay kay Bonnie Tyler, the late
Bonnie
singing
Tyler?
legend behind the timeless anthem Total Eclipse of the Heart.
Ah, okay.
Grand champions, one unforgettable biritan. On the all-out Sunday stage, Zephanie and Golden Cañedo.
Go. I turn around. Charis. Ganda ni Golden. Ay, grabe si Zephanie. Wait. Grabe si Zephanie, in fairness. Alam mo, ang na-notice ko lang ha, pagdating sa clarity, I'll go for Zephanie. Wow! 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 Okay.
Nothing I can say, a total eclipse of the heart. I need you now tonight, and I need you more than ever.
Oh, love that from Zephanie.
We'll be holding on forever. And we'll only be making
Mataas si Zephanie, no? Mataas si Zephanie.
never be wrong. Together we can make it to the end of the night. Your love is like a shadow all of the time. I don't know what to do. All we can do is living in a fantasy, making it all smile.
Wow! Showdown! Showdown na talaga! Totoo ba?
Forever's gonna stand
Nice! Nice! So, babalik na si Golden? Tama ba? I love it! I got it! I love it! I love it! Ang dali lang!
Wow! Grabe!
Oh my God, but hindi, wait lang, yung nag-showdown sila dito. Yes! Showdown sila, ma'am!
We'll be holding on forever. And we'll only be making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can make it to the end of the night. Your love is like a shadow
Away talaga sila, ma'am. Super away talaga sila. I love it. Orgasmic yung part na yun, no? Sarap. Oh my God! Away sila! Showdown! Showdown talaga sila!
Grabe.
Showdown talaga sila. Oh my God, I really love that execution talaga. Yung tipong tinataas nila, pataasan sila ng boses. Hindi naman nila sinasadya magpataasan sila ng boses. Pero what I'm trying to say is hindi mo ma-distinguish kung sino yung mas mataas sa kanila. Kasi may iba't iba silang atake. You know what I mean? May kanya-kanya silang execution ng paano nila itataas yung part na yon. I love that. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Showdown sila, ma'am. Atake sila. This is Kinyo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!